And so there's hacks to how you can just automatically change your physiological state with your emotional state by looking in the mirror. You can do mirror work and just smile at yourself. Tell yourself 3 to 5 different compliments. Look at yourself and find something that you love about yourself. Now, for me, like if you've seen my weight loss journey, I've actually went from well over 600 plus pounds to where now I'm at 200, I think 220 pounds now, and I'm still losing weight. And I have sagging skin. I still have body dysmorphia, all of those things. However, I look at my collarbones. I have really good collarbones, and so when I look in the mirror and I look at myself in the mirror with no clothes on, and I just focus on that area, because what it's doing, I'm giving myself self-love, but most importantly, I'm sending out that energy, that higher vibration frequency to the universe, and it has to bring it back to me. That is one of the things. If you ever read the book of The Alchemist, that's how you transmute energy into something that you want in this world.